Today we are starting with the topic of this shopping ads. So when we talk about shopping ads, so how it looks like, let's see first. So then we will see how we can connect it to the merchant center, what are the options available, and again like smart shopping and normal shopping campaign, the difference that we will be gonna see today. So let's see first how a shopping campaign looks like. So when I go to the Google and I search particularly like you can say anything related to e-commerce, like generally we do the shopping ads for e-commerce companies and all that. So suppose if I go and if I type here men's shoes, so when I search for men's shoes, you can see here a lot of ads are coming with pictures, price, and the brand name. So that is called as shopping ads. Similarly, if you type for women's also, so you will also get that also. So again, let's see today how we can make these kind of ads. So first thing again you need to do is particularly we need to go into the Google Merchant Center and you have to have the Google Ads account. So first you will create Google Ads account. We already have seen that, and now again particularly let's go and first create to the Merchant Center. So again, Merchant Center is a place particularly where we can go and where we like you can say put the product details from where Google fetches the data and showing the ads. So again, you can click on get started and you can sign in like this. We will click on get started, and then again I will do that. Suppose here again sign up. Again here I can go, and when we sign up using the ID, so we can go here and we can put the business name. So once we put the business name here, whatever business name that we have, so suppose if I want to put my name, I can go here and I can put my name here, and then after that I can select the country. So whichever country that I'm doing, so suppose it is for India, so I can go and I can do business country India. Suppose mainly my supplies is in India, then by default it will choose the time zone. Now again, where do you want your customer to check out? Obviously on my website. Then after that, again any tool if I use. So again, if in case if I use this, so I can select and I can connect with that particularly directly stores. But I will not choose anything. I will go here and then I will click on create account. So just some information we have provided, and then we will click on create account. Then afterwards, let it open. Now again, let's finish remaining of the full step. So I will click on later to fill that. So when you do later, here the options will come. So one thing you have to understand, to make it live, you need particularly to verify the website, and you need to put the tax details and all that, like GST number and all that. So here you can see we are showing fixed 3 issue that cause your product to stop showing. So again, if you click on this, go to account. Now here all the 3 issue will come. See, website URL not provided, establish business address and phone number. Your phone number needed to be verified, and we need to link our Google account. So website URL, you can go and we can claim the URL. So once we click on claim here, so again I can go and I can give any website. So for example, if I go here, this one, suppose this one website, so I can go particularly and I can give here, and then I can click on continue. So once I click on continue now, particularly now here see HTML tag, I can go and I can have. So I can go here, and this again HTML tag I need to give in the backend. So if you know like you can say developing things and all, or particularly you can tell your developer to put that. Once your developer has put this, so your website is verified for running this particularly shopping ad. So one step will be clear. Then afterwards, if you see other thing that they are selling, your business address and phone number we can give, and phone number we can verify, and we can link the account details. So how we can link? Just we will go to the settings. In settings, I will go to the link account option, and once I will go to the link account option here. Now again, I will open up Google Ads also. Ads.google.com I can go and I can open. So if I am new, I will go and I will sign up for that. Now since I already have account, so I will sign it, and then afterwards I will go to the account. Now again, whenever I have to connect that, what first thing that I have to do is I have to notice the ID that we have. So ID you will always find on the top right. So I can go and I can copy that ID. This is the customer ID you can see for the Google Ads. Then we will go here in the merchant center, and then I will click on link account, and then I will put the ID here. Then send link request. So once the link request is given, particularly now I have to go to my Google Ads account. So once I go to the Google Ads account here, I go to the tools and setting, and here link account. So once I clicked on link account, then after that I will find here Google Merchant Center C1 receipt. So I will click on manage and link, and then afterwards I will click on view request and then approve. Now we have connected this with our Google Merchant Center. Now what I have to do is I have to upload the details of the product. So I will go to the product and I will click on the add product here. Once we click on the add product here, country of sale, language, and then again once I have to verify and claim the website, then I can make it live. Then after that we have G10, UPSC, like you can say EAN, JAN, ISBN. So these are the like you can say terms related to the certification, or you can say global trade identification number, all the things certificate related to business. Then I will go here, and then I can go and I can put the I can take it from my client or the company that I am working for. Then again I will give here product ID or SKU that we call store keeping unit. That again I can take from my client or my company that I am working. Then the title of the product, and then here the brand of the product, whatever brand it is, we can go and we can have. Then here we can put the description of the product, and here landing page link. So suppose particularly my product is this digital marketing course, suppose. So I can go and I can have here landing page link, and then after that I can go and I can have image link, or I can upload. So again, Google Drive link or any cloud storage you are storing any image and all, so you can go and you can do that. Or we can go and we can click on browse here, and then I can upload. So whatever I want, suppose this I want, so I can go and I can click on upload. And once I uploaded that, see here they have given the sizes. So again, like at least these size it will be, and it should not be more than 16 MB. So you have to keep this in a mind. Then after that, price, whatever is the price of the product, and then availability of the product, it is in stock or limited availability, out of stock, or a pre-order people can do, or back order. So in stock it is simply I can go with that. Then what is the condition? So I can go and I can have new, refurnished, or used according to the company that you are working. You can select that. And then if in case you have product variant, so you can go and you can have like color, sizes, gender wise, or age group wise. So you can go here and you can put, like suppose it is of a gold variant, or like again like it is like particularly I can go and I can enter, either you can enter or put the comma. So I can go gold, or you can say orange. So just like this, and then again enter, and then I can put the sizes. Then I can put gender wise or age group wise, and here any ID if you have, you can give that. Then here you have to give the shipping, tax, and return. So again, whatever shipping your company that you are working, e-commerce merchant, so you have to give the details of that, like what is the service name, what is the country that you are doing, and all that, what are the delivery time, and what is the shipping cost, does shipping cost included in that. So this information again you can take it from client and you can fill that. Then afterwards, particularly if I go back here, So then I can click on continue. So what will happen? My data will be saved. So again, if you want any additional product data to give in, so you can choose the product category. So whatever category that you want, you can go and you can choose here. So here you will find this Google product category and product type. So again, like product type, you can click whatever type it is, like kids clothing, men's, women's clothing. And Google product category, if we have to know, so we can go in the Google and there is a file called Google Taxonomy file. Google Taxonomy file. Taxonomy file. So if you search that particularly, you will find. So I will go here and here you can say this is the file. So again, as per that, I can go and I can see. But again, suppose if I go here, just a second, I can go and I can see. Now this file, I can go and I can find as per the whatever my product and services. So suppose my product and services is this brass instrument accessories care and cleaning. So I will put this ID. So I will copy this. I will go in merchant center and I will put that and product type whatever it is and then continue. So my work will be done. So just like that, I can add as many as product as I want particularly. Then if I have to add anywhere you are confused in Google Merchant Center, just click here, you will go to the home page, then you will go to the product, and if you want, you can use multiple product uploading method also. Though I will highly recommend to start with, if you are a beginner and all that, to start with one by one, but still if you want, you can go with the multiple option. Here what you can do is you can choose the country of sale and language, and then again particularly continue, and then afterwards I will advise to use Google Sheet. Other options are also available, but Google Sheet will be easier to have. So you can give the feed name. So suppose feed name I am giving kids clothing. So again kids clothing if I give, and then I can click on continue. Pop-up blocker used. So again I can go here and I can sign in with the merchant center. So you have to make sure you are not using any pop-up blocker and all that. So again it will sign in automatically. Just a second. After that, allow. So what will happen? A sheet will open. So again, let me show you in any different browsers. Since I'm using Safari, so by default it is like particularly the pop-up is blocked in that. So again, Merchant Center. Yeah, now I got. After that, after signing in, yeah, I can go to the product similarly, and again when you go to the product, either you get multiple product or feed option. So once you click on multiple product also, same option will come, or here like feed. So again you can see India and I will select the language English and then again continue, and this I will choose Google Sheet, then I will continue. I will give here the feed names like it's clothing, and then afterwards I will click on continue. Okay, here also pop-up is blocked, so see I have to allow, continue. Then again new spreadsheet, always go with that, create feed. So once you create feed here, it will open something like that. Then afterwards access Google Sheet. So I will click on Excel Google Sheet. Now whatever we were doing it manually, now we can see we have to give here the information, the product ID, the title. So these things again we can delete, and then afterwards whatever product number of products, suppose I have 100, 10,000, 2,000, I will go and I will give the ID of each one of product, the title, the description, the link of the product on website, the condition, the price, the availability of the product and the image link, the GTIN number, global trade identification number we say, MPN, manufacturing part number, the brand it is, and Google product category, that Google taxonomy file. So automatically it will update whenever we want to add more product. We can come to this file and we can update that basically. So again I will go to the feed, and here I can find all the feed that I have created basically. So it will show me all of it, whatever. See, at the last we have created this kids clothing. So just like that we have need to give the information here. After giving the information, simply we need to go and we need to go to the particularly you can say our Google Ads. Now our half of the job is done. Now again simply we have to go to the Google Ads. We will click on new campaign, and then afterwards we will find it here. Like you can say like we will go and we will choose normally sales, because again sales we do for e-commerce company and all, and then you will find here the shopping. So once you click on shopping here, you can select account, see all like all the account is coming. So whatever account, like if I have multiple, you can say merchant center, so I have to choose which merchant center I want. Then you will see here two options, smart shopping and standard shopping is here. So let's see first smart, then we will see the standard shopping. So first generally like general that shopping ads we see. So here you can see campaign name we will give. So suppose I want to give like it is for kids clothing, so suppose kids clothing, and again I will give the date here, 29 April, and then the year, so that I remember like okay I have three. So manual CPC or like ROS is again return on ad spend. Maximize click is like if I want maximum click or on our like you can say ad, and CPC is cost per click. So again if ROS we will go if we have already running the ad and we are getting a good conversion. So what I will advise, either we can go with maximize click or manual CPC. So I will go with maximize click because I want more and more clicks of the ad. So I will advise to go with that, and then afterwards I will scroll down here and I will not set any cost and all that. Then after that I will go with the budget here. So budget again whatever my daily budget is there, average daily budget. So suppose 500 minimum, I will also like say to keep it 500, and then here campaign priority you have to keep it low by default. But in case suppose I have two similar campaigns, suppose Eid is coming or Diwali will come and all that, so I am running one normal campaign and one that special like you can say festive campaign. So in that scenario whatever festive campaign I am creating I can keep it high, and normal one I can keep it low. So Google knows I go okay this is a festive time, so let's give priority to this festive campaign. Then here network we will select, device obviously all device, then location we can choose, like we can go and we can enter, and then after that particularly I can go and I can target. Exclude means on that location it will not go, nearby location also I can target. So suppose my target audience is Bangalore, so I will only target Bangalore. Then I can give here start and end date, whatever date I want to start and end. If I don't want when I want to end, so I will just keep the start date and I will not give the end date. And ad group name again, like suppose kids summer clothing it is, so I will go and I will give here kids summer, and then create campaign. So my campaign is now created. I do not have to do anything. Why? Because again my all the job is done in the merchant center. Now similarly if I have to create this smart shopping campaign, so I will go new campaign and we will choose sales, and then here I will go with the shopping and I will create again choose the account whatever I want, and then India, and then here we will choose smart shopping campaign. So here I will give the campaign name, whatever campaign name I want. So campaign name, then again you can give the date and the year, and then after that conversion goal. So whatever I will say, always you can keep campaign level conversion goal if you are running lot of ads, or if I am running only one ad I will keep account level conversion. Then after that here I will go bidding. So again like see maximize conversion value, automatically it is set. So I will leave it as it is, means it will give me maximum conversion, means maximum sale out of the ad whatever is possible. So So again ROS I will not put, because again if I am not done the ads particularly in the past, so obviously there is no reporting and all that. So I will just keep this as it is, and then afterwards I will go with the budget. I will put here 500, and then again save and continue. Start and end date we can put similarly, and then continue. And then again I can scroll down, but here again I can have the images. So I can log into merchant center and I can take images, or I can upload. So suppose I choose to upload some images. So suppose this images I am uploading, and again video also if I want I can have. So again I can decide which part I want to show. So select, save, and here you can see the supported image size and all that. So that only in that size particularly, basically that your like you can say image will you can upload. And you can crop also, like I had cropped this like that. So I can go here video. So again I can go to my YouTube channel and I can copy the URL and I can give. So suppose if I go here YouTube and I go to my channel. Hello guys, this now again this if I go, or again I go to the video. So suppose this one video I want, so I can go, I can copy here, and then again I can put it here. Then I can select and I can save. So once I save, just like that, like I can add further, and then I can add here the headline. You can say best discount on kids clothing. So again I have to use only 25 character, like you can say best discount or get best discount I can have. Sorry, get I can put 10-year long headline like 90 character, and get the best clothing for your kids, and then here the description. So whatever descriptions I want I can give, and then the final URL. So like suppose this time putting here the dummy, this is dummy. So related to product you have to write here, and then after that final URL, whatever the URL you want users to go to. And then afterwards here you can see how your ad will look like particularly. So this is how the you can say both the shopping ads is are done. So that is what we have for today.